Hi, good morning. The first one that we're going to start off with today is the Rocky Mountains. I'm using the Rocky Mountains as a place convergence. The Rocky Mountains are located in North America and stretches along Canada through the United States on the west of Canada and west/Central America. So roughly here. Then, tells you also right here, 3,000 miles in Canada, Wyoming, all that. So it does stretch a pretty far distance. It is filled with wildlife and is a very important mountain when it comes to inhabitants because, I'll show you guys a picture. This is what the Rocky Mountains look like. Very green, very luscious. A lot of animals would live there. Here's also another photo. So yeah, just filled with wilderness. So you definitely could tell that a lot of animals would live here, and a lot of different types of animals, wilderness life. So yeah, back to the original. Although it was formed by earlier tectonic events, the special thing about the Rocky Mountains is that it was also influenced by two other tectonic plates, being the North American plate and Pacific plate, which that's pretty cool. Some parts of the mountain are also made up of older convergent tectonic plates as well, which is pretty interesting, meaning that like all of these mountains basically was formed back when by many different mountains and by whoever. So yeah. The next one is going to be Lake Baikal. It is located in Serbia, Russia. And as you can see here with some pictures, beautiful area. Also have personal photos that I will show you later. Lake Baikal is in Serbia, Russia, and is the deepest rift lake in the world. What is a rift lake? Rift lake, you ask? There's actually a video that I think goes into it well. This just explains basically what it is. I'm not going to show the whole thing, but this dude basically just goes through and gives you the whole overview of what the lakes are, what the valleys are, stuff like that. So I believe that that's very informative. A rift lake is when a lake is formed because of subsidence related to movement on faults within a rift zone. Basically, if you can imagine like two blocks basically slowly sliding together, and then one crumples. That's basically what this lake is like. Now, the reason why this lake is interesting is because the lake will always get bigger because the rift makes the movement in the earth go down more, and so it always gets deeper. Lake Baikal is also the world's largest freshwater source. So it is a protected body of water. It is a pretty important lake for a lot of people, and so it is protected. And I do apologize if I mispronounce any of these names. Definitely the next one. All right. The next one is Pinta de la Furnes. Sorry if I pronounced shield volcano. Sorry about that. Pinta de la Furnes is located on the island of Réunion, a French overseas region in the Indian Ocean. I'll zoom out here. It's right by Madagascar, just to the right. Very small island. Right here, Madagascar. So then Africa is over here. Yeah, and these are some pictures of it. That's usually what it looks like. But I have a picture of when it erupts, which I will show you. It is east of the Madagascar. It is also one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It may not look like it here, but it really is. With frequent eruptions that are well studied by volcanologists. Here, shield volcanoes are a classification for types of volcanoes that include stratus volcanoes, lava domes, and cylinder cone types of volcanoes. So shield, basically because of this round thing, it kind of shields like the lava in. So that's why it's called a shield one. It also erupts basalts that creates a broad, gentle sloping lava flow that builds up the volcano's width and gives a shield-like profile. So that's also why it's like that. And then I will show you a picture. So this is usually what it looks like when it's not erupting. And then if it pulls up, this is what it looks like when it's erupting. So it just a slow, steady stream, and this is kind of like a shield protecting the lava from not going over the sides, but then it comes all this way. Very slow moving lava, as you can see. So yeah, so those are my 3 places. I hope that you enjoyed it.